Today, welcome to my class all about for you. Today we will make this window. So come in the front view and you know the size of window because we view this class we will making this room and door and we use REC command. Wide is 2 meter and height of window is 1 meter. Now take the offset is 10 cm. Now explode this one. We needed just one line and use command divide because we divide this one is 3 segments and come in here and change the point style because we need to show in here the point is 3 segment is divided or not, and click the line, keep center line is bring here. Now changing, we can't edit this point now, so change the format style of point is now. Okay, now let's keep the offset of this one is 5 cm because we needed this wooden is 10 cm. Erase the center line, we can't need it this one, and trim this line. Now we made in this format for the window. Now this one extend, making convert to 3D. Extrude command use ext command 10 cm. Okay, now subtract from the outer inner side. If there is not showing here, then go to aesthetic mode, 3D view mode, subtract from the outer inner side because we put the glass in here. Now change the layer, go to the front view, REC layer 2 here, move and last M, enter, L enter, ext, provide the thickness is 001 mm and go to 3D view and see or copy this one from here to here, here and here, and escape and erase this one. Now go to the material view, come to render, material browser, open the dialog box in here. Now select wooden because we will this one use wooden. In one you will leave and here this is wooden format. We will also use aluminium, this depend of you. And now glass, this keep in here, use another one in here and changing this one in here because you will understand this typical different shape in here. You will also scroll down and select another one. Okay, and cancel this one, and now move this one, select, click from here and put on the center point. And now your window is prepared, and next class we will show the slab and how to design the slab. Inshallah, we will